swimsuit will receive 2,000 pesos. Meron pang additional kay Mikay. On return na Mita po silang namin to.
Okay.
Yung galing kay Mikay Miha, diretso na lang ni Mikay sa inyo. So Mikay, thank you for your awards and thanks for watching.
Best in swimsuit will receive 2,000 pesos.
What?
And our best in swimsuit goes to, once again, candidate number 23, Miss Ringo Antonio. Pasabog. Ayan siya talaga. Congratulations. Congratulations. And now, we will now
Best in long gown.
announce the best in long gown. Sino kaya ang pinaka-nagningning at siya ay makakakuha ng 3,000 pesos. At ito ay walang iba kung hindi si candidate number 6.
Ay, si Nicole.
Oh, Miss Nicole Guevara
That's
Flores. You're super, Serena.
20. Charot. May withholding access yan.
Okay.
Nope. Ay, may Mikay Choice Award
To host.
Eh kasi di ba gusto nyo kaya?
Kinakabahan ka ba?
Wala
Hindi
naman.
kinakabahan ako para sa kanila. Okay, let's begin. We will now announce the top 15. Okay, this is in no particular order. Okay, let's start off with candidate number 23, Miss Ringo Antonio.
So after this question and answer na tayo, mga Miha.
Our next candidate, pasok ka na! Candidate number 20.
Candidate, ay si Summer, 20 ba?
20, Miss
Oh,
Summer
Summer.
TJ Corpus. Our next finalist is candidate number 16, Miss Matmat
Matmat.
Jacinto. Pasok ka na! Candidate number 10.
Who's number 10?
Candidate number 10. Miss Miao Marie Garcia. Tonight might be your lucky night. Candidate number 9. Miss Yang La Victoria. And you are lucky girl tonight. Candidate number 2. Miss Billy Lavisa Yadaw. Our 7th spot goes to you, candidate number 22, Miss Jem Marie Zavala. Our 8th lucky candidate advancing to the top 15 is none other than candidate number 17.
Miss Jessica Day.
Yes, go ba? And from the 9th spot is candidate number 11. Miss Aliyah Villa. And next candidate number 6. Nicole Guevara Flores. Huwag ka nang magalit. Pasok ka. Candidate number 24, Miss Eva.
candidate number 19, Miss Yunil Sarayno Acepuche. Manglaro ka na dahil pasok ka. Candidate number 5, Miss Aubrey Martin.
Our second to the last candidate who will advance to the top 15 is candidate number 21. Miss
Nicole Ayala Brockway. There's only one. OMG na
One
nakakaba.
spot left.
OMG, ito yung pinaka nakakakaba, yung sobrang dami nyo pa, pero isa na lang tatawagin. Pero may piece of advice, laban lang mga che, dahil minsan sa inyo ang Queen of Recto, minsan sa iba, dahil minsan backstage girl din tayo, di ba?
Yes. So,
Kaya don't lose
na.
hope. And our last candidate is candidate number 15. Miss Lexa from Isabela.
Congratulations. And sa mga girls, don't lose hope. Meron pa
Yes.
naman next year.
Madami
So,
pa.
paano ang
Dami
question
na
and
tayo.
answer natin? So, lowest number.